Hello students, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I am back again with Poetic devices for the students of class 10th. And today I'll be covering the lesson Triumph of Surgery. You know, it's a beautiful story about a dog or the dog's owner and the doctor, how they play and how they act and how they do the thing. It's quite hilarious also at some places. And in this chapter, the writer has used many poetic devices, lot of poetic devices. Simile, metaphor, these are all usual, but he has used repetition, climax instead of imagery. Onomatopoeia. Now, do you know onomatopoeia? Or saying dash? So that also he has used. So along with it, there are some more which you can see when I'll be sharing my screen. And in the screen itself, of course, I had mentioned, I have given the examples where the writer has used the poetic devices. You can do one thing. See, this is the preparation time for pre-board 1 and the final. In the both, the things are going to come. So you must practice. You have enough time now, even 2-3 months time, to prepare for the poetic devices, and especially you should know the differences like between simile and metaphor, then metaphor and personification. Now there is a very slight difference. Simile, of course, you can make it easily because the word like or as is used, but metaphor and personification, there is a very thin difference is given. So that is more important for you to understand. Okay, so I'm just sharing my screen and continue with it. Okay, bye. Yes, students, I have come back and I'm sharing the screen for the lesson A Triumph of Surgery. Now, as discussed, that I'll be telling you about the poetic devices of this lesson. So here first comes, actually in this chapter, the writer has used personification, repetition, metaphor, onomatopoeia, simile, climax, synedosh. So these are the things which he has used in this chapter. Now first is tricky, that is personification. Like a bloated sausage. It is so difficult, so very difficult. Now this is repetition. Now so difficult or very difficult or so very difficult is the repeating thing. He was an uninteresting object. Metaphor. Slop. Both are onomatopoeia. Now onomatopoeia is where the sound where we have used the word which denotes sound. Now this is a sound. So like a tiger, simile, as the word like is used here. They were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. Now this is the climax. As a permanent guest, simile. Now then comes gleaming black metal, synedosh. What is the meaning of synedosh? The meaning is like it's a figure of speech in which a part is made to represent the whole or vice versa. Example, you can take it like as in England lost by 6 wickets, meaning the English cricket. Now here gleaming black metal, that is also, this is synedosh. Then hurtling round and round the lawn. Now round and round both are so repeating words. So here he has used repetition. So I hope you understood this. Please make a table and write all this chapter wise, where you can mention the name of the lesson, the name of the writer, the poetic devices used, and the message or maybe the center point of that lesson. So that will help you in board exams. Thank you.